Welcome back to K-Hair Official YouTube channel. I am Julia from K-Hair. I have been getting a lot of questions from you guys about the hair purchasing process, quantity, shipping time, and so on. There are so many questions and each one is very important for your business. I will answer them all. Let's get started. The first question I get is, what type of hair do K-Hair offer? K-Hair offer a variety of hair types, including different textures such as bond chase, natural chase, deep wave, loose wave, water curly, body wavy, mixed curl, bond curl, nature wave, Burmese curl, and kinky chase. We also provide hair in various colors, closure, frontal, width, and extension like virgin keratin hair, virgin weft hair, virgin tape-in extension, virgin buck hair. Virgin hair is collected from a single donor, unprocessed, retain natural color and texture, making it ideal for bleaching and dyeing. Superior in quality, rare and expensive. Feminine hair sourced from multiple donors. Cuticle aligned to reduce tangling. Many undergo chemical processing, more affordable than virgin hair but less uniform. About price, virgin hair is pricier due to its purity, while Remy hair is cost-effective, good quality option. Virgin hair is best for high-end bleaching, while Remy hair should go on a budget. Step 1. Contact your shop to discuss order details. Provide specifics about the hair type, quantity, color, quality, and length you need. Step 2. Invoice preparation. I will prepare an invoice based on your order details. Check the invoice thoroughly for accuracy regarding product quantity and price before processing. Step 2. Invoice preparation. I will prepare an invoice based on your order detail. Check the invoice thoroughly for accuracy regarding product quantity and price before processing. Step 3. Payment. Pay the full amount upfront or make a 50% deposit. Step 4. Hair production. Once payment is confirmed, K-Hair product. Step 4. Hair production. Once payment is confirmed, K-Hair produce the hair fresh for each order, ensuring quantity. Production typically takes 7 to 14 days, depending on the size of the order. Step 5. Shipping confirmation. After production, confirm the shipping method, pay any remaining balance if applicable, and K-Hair will arrange the shipment. The minimum order quantity for wholesale orders from K-Hair is 500 grams, which is equivalent to 5 bundles of hair. The shipping time from K-Hair depends on the destination and shipping method used. For international order, K-Hair connect with global logistics companies like DHL, UPS, and FedEx, with an estimated shipping time of 3 to 5 days. We also provide a tracking code for customers to monitor their shipment during the delivery process. In some cases, specific arrangements are made for certain regions, such as Nigeria, which may have different logistic handling to optimize cost and time. We provide sample orders. For K-Hair, the minimum sample orders is 3 bundles. Allow customers to test the quality before making larger purchase. We have bank transfer, Western Union, MoneyGram, wire transfer, Remitly, Payoneer. For African countries, we will use agent, so you can pay with your local currency. In today's Q&A video part 1, we learned that K-Hair offers a variety of hair quality, hair price with flexible ordering options, including same orders. We provide efficient shipping, reasonable minimum order quantity, and multiple payment methods, making them suitable for wholesale buyers. If you want to know more about wholesale hairs, contact me, Julia from K-Hair. Follow our channel and stay tuned for part 2 of this Q&A series. Goodbye.